Okay guys, so we got a late start today. We're just doing a little bit of dinner shift, and I got an offer for Total Wine. They offer almost $50 going 30 miles, but I started the batch without knowing. So right now I'm trying to see if I can find a cart. Where do they have the carts? Okay, they have right there. Okay, so we need to find some little bit of this alcohol. Now this is for Instacart, right? So number 4, aisle 5, bay 20. I wish these people could be more specific about this. Okay guys, so we cracked down on the on 2 items. So right now we're looking for this one right here, the Clevo Vera Liquor 45 by 23. I'm supposed to be all the way to the back, hopefully. Okay guys, we're almost done. We're just looking for one more item, which is on aisle 12, aisle 15, aisle 2, aisle 14. Hey, do you know what is aisle 12?
Aisle 12 is going to be that way.
All the way to the end?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay guys, so we are doing the last aisle. Aisle 12. This is what I like about Total Wine. Doesn't take that long. Taste really, really good. So this is 11. This must be 12, right? So what we're looking for? We're looking for Haimon Hard Kersen Barrier Pack. Okay, let me go check until I find this. Okay guys, so now I'm looking for the last product. I believe it's this one, but it says that it's a 12 pack, and this is 10. This is a 16 pack, and this is the only one that they have. And the other one that they want is for $21, and this is for 19. Tries 21. This is $19.99. So I'm not sure, but I'm in the right place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for an associate and see if I can find someone who can help me, because this is the last one, so I'm stuck in this one so far. Okay guys, so you see this? This is the one that the person wants, but Instacart sometimes they give you this issue. Like, let me show you. Let me put this right here. Let me show you. See, when I scan the barcode, oh, working weird. Now it works. So press code 3. Oh, they have different fruits, I believe so. Okay, so sometimes they give you the error. You have to be really, really careful. As you see, they have different flavors, so you have to be careful with the flavors. So 2 done. Okay, so we are done with everything. Sometimes you have to be careful with the code, because different flavors, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So but I was able to get this done, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the checkout. Okay guys, we're about to check out. So let me show you. When you guys got everything you guys doing Instacart, what you need to do is that review changes, and then go to checkout. And Instacart is like, goal is 80 minutes. Yeah, Instacart 20 minutes. So I need to look for replacement if you don't give me an IO number. Anyway, so let's put it here.
Start counting on some of these tills.
This will be easy. Oh. No, it doesn't matter.
Hello, Jones.
Thank you.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right.
Okay.
And do you want a box or a bag today?
Give me a. What do you think is better? A box?
Probably a box would be more secure.
Yeah, give me a box.
All right. And are you a member with us?
No, this is for Instacart.
Oh, Instacart. Do you have the code real quick?
Let me see the production.
And that is 91.
Let me go ahead. Start checkout. I think it is right here.
There we go.
And do you need to see my ID?
Oh no, it's totally fine. All right, and all right, your total today is 172 with 92 cents.
Okay, let me go ahead and.
Go ahead when you're ready. Let me go get a box for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some of it, but it's. I don't need that receipt.
Okay, so how you do it when you scan it or like slice it?
This one will just be a swipe. 1 second. Is it a chip or?
No, it's for Instacart. So.
All right, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Go ahead one more time. Let's see if it goes through.
Okay. Okay, went through. Okay, so if
And enter the pin.
let me see. No, let me see. Okay. So, but in app they don't have a pen.
Then I just click enter, I believe so. Just enter.
I think it should work.
What?
Select debit.
All right, give me 1
Okay.
second. All right, try it one more time.
Appreciate all your help.
Let me try again. Okay, but now let me see. So when you put debit,
Yeah. Does it tell you the pin on the card?
no, it should. Let me see. Go back.
Is it Doordash or?
No, Instacart.
Should be 5454.
5454 5454. Okay.
And approved, all right. You might want to write it down for you just in case.
Yeah, no, normally they use a code, but I don't know for some weird. Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
All right, have a great day. all
You
right?
too. Okay, so guys, sometimes you have issues, so he wasn't taking the card, and they said the PIN number is 5454. I don't know, for whatever reason, that stupid Instacart, was not going through and was not giving me any info for the PIN code, but it was 5454, so keep that in mind. So right now we are going to check out and next, and then we're gonna enter the info for the receipt. Okay, and now it is done. And based on Instacart, I need to deliver at 5:55. They are crazy. So anyway, so I'm going to do this and then put everything in the car and then deliver it to the customer. Okay guys, so we got a pickup, so that is heading in the same direction. So for $14, which is pretty good. So I'm going to do that because I need to make some money. Eastbound Canyon Drive. So it's good. Yeah, I can record club. I can take this channel. It's perfect. Hi, I got a pickup for Caesar. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Okay guys, so we got the pickup for Caesar, and then we also have the Instacart. So I'm going to just combine Uber Eats for Instacart. They're heading in the same direction, so that's perfect. And then, yeah, probably gonna head on Racket Club, so it works just fine. Okay, so let me put it right here. And then we're gonna start delivering, guys. I'm not gonna do it so hard, try to get a bunch of offers. I should, but not for this one, so let's get this done, guys.
Drive.
Okay guys, so we're here. Drop off the first order, and then I can go to Palm Springs to deliver the other one. Hopefully this one is not difficult to find. And it's 68. Wow. What the fuck is this guy, man? Look at this. 55. Hi, Caesar. How are you? Okay, man. Have a great night.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Drop off on the right.
Guys, so we're here, and I'm gonna pick out the guy, and we are going to just do everything.